The iPhone 17 introduces center stage to the front camera, revolutionizing how we take selfies and make video calls. Center stage automatically keeps you centered in the frame during selfies, videos, and video calls, using AI to track your position. This makes video calls more natural, as seen in FaceTime sessions where participants stay perfectly framed. It uses a large square sensor to capture a wider image area, allowing for better low-light performance and dynamic adjustments. The feature dynamically zooms and rotates to fit you or groups in the frame without losing image quality. Center Stage supports ultra-stabilized 4K HDR video selfies for smooth, high-quality recording. It also enables dual capture for simultaneous front and rear recording, perfect for vlogs. Center Stage works natively in FaceTime and other supported apps, ensuring you stay centered and stable throughout your calls. To use Center Stage, launch the camera app and switch to the front-facing camera. The Center Stage icon, showing a person inside a frame, will appear above the viewfinder. When it's yellow, the feature is active. Tap the icon to access settings where you can toggle auto zoom and auto rotate. During video calls in FaceTime or supported apps, Center Stage activates automatically. To disable it, tap your video preview, then camera effects, and toggle Center Stage off. You can also manually adjust framing by tapping the zoom or rotation icons, which temporarily disables Center Stage. Tap the icon again to reactivate auto framing.